What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can see local files on Spotify app in your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. So what you need to do first, you have to go to your Spotify mobile app. After going to Spotify, what you need to do, you have to click on the top left option. You have to go to your profile. After clicking on profile, you have to click on settings and privacy just like this. After clicking on settings and privacy, you have to find the option calls local file. So please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you so that you can see your local files on Spotify mobile. After doing so, you have to scroll down. Then you have to find a option called local files. You have to click on the this option local files. After clicking this option, you have to turn this option on, show audio files from this device. So after turning this on, you can see here is a pop-up. You have to allow the Spotify to access on your mobile phone device, mobile phone music folder. So what you need to do, you have to click on allow. After clicking on allow, then you are ready to go. Now you can see your local files on your Spotify in your mobile phone. So this is how you can see your local files on your Spotify in your mobile phone. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.